Everyone, in this tutorial you're gonna learn how to create motion graphic background without any third plugins in After Effects. Please don't forget to follow us on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. I'm trying to create a composition. It would be 1920 by 1080, and I'm trying to set it to render. The duration would be 10 seconds for me. I'm gonna leave it 30 frame per second. Let's create another composition. It would be line. Leave the rest. Just double click on the line. Make sure you are inside the composition. With Ctrl Y, build solid. And let's go to effects and presets. Search for CC particle word. Drag and drop or double click on it. Let's clear the scene. Turn off the grids and guides. Longevity would be 5 and birth rate would be 3. Go to particle. It would be shade sphere, white, and then white. I'm gonna change the birth rate size. Gonna set it to 0.05 and 0.01. Let's go to producer. Just set it like me. Position X, Y, Z, and in radius. The radius on Z would be 0. The particle would be like this. Okay, go to physics tab. Try to set it to direction exists. And the velocity would be 0.30 and the gravity would be 0. Okay, we should rotate the particle from 0 to 90. From up to down, and I'm trying to search for echo because I want to add echo on it. The echo time is minus 1. We can change it, and the number of echo is 15. I know it takes some time to load your project. Put the DKC to 0.95. Let's search for Gaussian blur. You can double click on it or you can drag and drop. Set the horizontal and vertical to horizontal. Horizontal, and the blurriness would be 15. Can you see that? Let's fix the composition. Okay. Change the echo time. Can you see that it has a delay on it? There is a effect which is called reptile. Just drag and drop on it. Expand down, because it's up to down, we rotate it, so we should expand down and expand up to 500. 500 I guess is cool. I think I should scale it. Go to scale, unlink, and try to scale it up. Oh, beautiful. 500 is perfect. Okay, let's go to render tab. Let's create a background first with Ctrl Y, BG, and okay. In FX you can search for color gradients. Drag and drop on the line. You can put any color on it. It depends on your motion graphic. Let me try to change the colors. I'm doing it randomly. There is too many websites out there, and you can Google it and you can find the 4 gradients colors. Don't forget to increase jitter to 100. I'm still looking for better color. Let me try this one. You can change the pointer location to have a better gradient. It looks good to me for now. Yeah, it's much better. Okay. Go back to project panel, drag and drop the line in upper of the background. There's an effect in the effect panel, and you won't use them. You won't use them at all. It depends on your mind. What was that? I forget. Busier. Yeah. Let's type busier. Drag and drop or double click on it. Change the quality to 10. With busier, you can change some details as you see, because I want to be 3D. We need a shadow. Let me handle this anchor points. Okay. Amazing, dude, amazing. We need shadow. We can create a solid with Ctrl Y, it will be shadow. With rectangle tool, try to write down a mask for it. Go to property and mask feather. It depends on your mind. It should be 250. Reduce opacity. I don't want to be super dark. Let's add fill on the composition, our line, because we want to change the line color. Let's use color pointer. It depends on your mind. You can duplicate the lines and add more, and add more colors into it. Let's duplicate one more time. Change the position. That's fine for me. You can add more. You can add another line and set it to white. It's fine for me for now. Let's change color. Just give a second, please. It's better than before. This one would be white. Let me see. Yellowish. Now I will add it in the second project. I just duplicated the shadow. I'm trying to put it at the top of the composition. Trying to change the expand. Go to mask, expansion, increase the expansion. It's fine for me. It would be a little darker, but we will fix it. No worries. Okay, add adjustment layer. Set it to color controller. Go to effects and search for curve. In adjust layer, you can change the color all the layers under the adjustment layer. Nice, beautiful. Okay, what is next? We can add a text with Ctrl Alt Shift T. You can bring up a line text, and oh no, yeah, that's better. Creative motion, creative motion lines. I need to change some details here. Go to character and increase the line space. You can learn how to animate text here. I change the color to find it easily. Okay. Go to animation and add a position. Add a property which is called opacity. The position would be 100 and the opacity is 0. Just open up the range selector, go to 2 seconds, and the offset. First of all, try to easy high 20 and 100 easy low. It would be ramp up and increase to 100 the offset. Add a keyframe and reduce it. Go back, reduce it, and your animation is ready to go. It's gonna be word, not character. Let's turn off these items because it takes some time to load the composition. Let's see, what do we have? Nice. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's duplicate the line. The font is too heavy. Inside motion. I duplicated the line, and it still have the same property with animation. If you don't have, you can copy the animation property to the second line, to the new line, I mean. Align them. Press U and see the keyframes. Can you see that animator? You can copy and go to the second line and paste it. It depends on your project. Sometimes you are trying to duplicate the lines, but sometimes you are trying to write down a line. When you write down, you have to copy and paste keyframes into the new text layer. Perfect. Okay, I'm trying to see what I have, and we should wait for the preview. It takes some time. With Ctrl Shift H, you can hide the grids around your workspace, like me. And you can see the project. Ctrl Shift H. Let's wait for the preview. It's really beautiful. You can put it for screensavers and your product presentation. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like the video and don't subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. That would be amazing on me because I'm getting positive energy and I can keep going and create more videos for you. Be creative and have a nice day.